Using Venmo for business is convenient, but requires clear records and the right profile. Switch your account to a Venmo business profile to separate personal and business sales. Charge customers, add product descriptions, and enable invoices when possible. Venmo charges transaction fees for business payments. Factor fees into pricing. Keep detailed receipts and export monthly statements for bookkeeping. Tip: connect to accounting software or download CSVs regularly to stay organized. All income is taxable, so report Venmo sales on your tax return. Platforms may issue Form 1099-K if payments exceed $600 in a year. Track gross receipts, fees, refunds, and net income for accurate tax calculations. Separate deductible expenses like supplies, shipping, and marketplace fees when filing. If you have questions, consult an accountant and review current IRS guidelines for updates. Keep records, stay organized, and treat Venmo income like any other business revenue.